first and foremost thing one must realize is every generation is better than the previous. I went through this very interesting episode with one of my seniors one day. So while I was discussing with him in a party, he kept on saying, my son is so good, my son is so good, this generation is amazing, they are better than us. So he was all praises for this new generation that his son belonged to. However, what was astonishing was that whenever he came to the office, he had a completely different view on the generation of people who were joining the organization. And at that point in time, he would always say people are not driven like we were. They don't have the kind of accountability like we had. So one day I couldn't stop myself and I said, sir, I'm kind of confused by a few things that you say. While your son seems to be from the new generation and better than you, how is it that the new generation joining the office is not better than us? So the fact remains, every single generation will be better than the other. It is a responsibility of the generation which has gone earlier to support in the development of this new generation. Now, let's be clear about a few things about the new generation. While generation like mine and many after me have generally followed the command and pace setting style of leadership, the newer generation will not have it. So we can't command and tell them what to do. We need to use democratic, affiliative, coaching and visionary style of leadership with these young generation. And if you are able to get them on board and start listening to them, you will find their engagement in the workplace will be extremely well. So I believe this combination of democratic, and I always believe there is a reverse mentoring that can be done. I'm being mentored by one of my employees who's got maybe 1 year of experience, but his technology knowledge is so much that he mentors me on technology while I mentor on him on something else. So please, from now on, use democratic, affiliative, coaching and visionary style of leadership with this new generation, because commanding and pace setting styles of leadership will not work with them.